Using contact lenses safely is crucial to avoid eye infection, irritation or damage. Let's discuss some steps of wearing these contact lenses correctly. Step 1. Clean your hands with soap and water. Rinse and dry with a lint-free towel to avoid transfer of the fibers onto your lenses. Step 2. Preparing the lens. Remove one side lens out of the case. Inspect for any tears, damage or debris. If damaged, do not use. Hold the lens at the tip of your finger and ensure that it is bowl shaped. If the edges flare out, it is inside out. Do not use in that position. Step 3. Wearing the lenses. Gently hold the upper eyelid with one finger and with the other hand, gently pull down the lower eyelid and place the lens in the center of your eye. Once placed, blink to position and look in all directions to ensure that it is properly placed. Step 4. Repeat on the other eye. Step 5. After use, removal of the lens. Gently pull the lower eyelid down and the upper eyelid with the other eye. With your thumb and index finger, pinch the lens and gently pull it out of the eye. Place it back in the container with fresh and clean lens solution. Clean and store the lens. Always place the lens in a clean and fresh solution and a container. Rinse and rub the lens gently to ensure that it is clean for every storage after use. Keep your lens clean and change it as per the recommendations of use. Some other important tips for use. Wear the lenses only for the recommended amount of time. Do not wear it for extended periods. Do not sleep with your lenses on. Avoid using lenses while taking baths or in swimming pools or showers. And change the lenses regularly as per the recommended use and time.